we had the opportunity to go and check out Salt Lake City's The Fear Factory. The fun begins outside of the actual haunt with the Selfi station, which features 6 different photo ops. You can also find even more photo ops scattered around and get pictures with scare actors before entering. You may even get scared by some of the scare actors wandering around the entrance. Watch as we go through the haunt itself and check out the merch station, scare actors, and more. Here, Jeremy will tell us a little bit about the photo opportunities.
Custom designed by the team here. They started this, I don't know, 5-6 years ago maybe. I think they were one of the first in the country to do it. Now you see a lot of other haunts around the country doing this, but come and check it out here. Like this one's new. I haven't seen this one yet, so someone's repeating this one. Yeah, they customize them every year and they'll switch them out and all that kind of stuff.
Excuse me, hi there. Oh, wait, camera. I'm getting your way too much. Ooh, what do we got here? That's some nice hair, my friend. I'm gonna have to get my scalping razor out.
So we got our touching glow sticks. This means that the scare actors can do some light touching during the haunt. Ashton's got his.
There's my hair.
Oh yeah.
My hair scratched my back.
Not as nice as Ashton's hair, but it's close.
Sarah did not. I opted out. She opted out of the bracelet or necklace.
Alright, come on in, guys.
No weapons of any kind are allowed to
Scary.
Come on in. a great time. You need to go.
We're going to eat some ham!
Oh, there's something in there. So far, so good. We survived this. You look. Ah!
After exiting the haunt, you will come across the merch station. Here you can get the Fear gear, which includes Fear Factory hoodies, shirts, voodoo dolls of the Fear Factory characters, Fear Factory Christmas ornaments, and of course the Carl the Snarl elf on a shelf, and much more.
What did I get? Got number 9.
Number 9.
And the fun doesn't end after the haunt. Debuting this year, Fear Factory announced their 2024 bar. Here you can catch a quick glimpse.
It was a lot of fun in there. Pretty scary. My favorite part would be the cemetery scene. I just like how everything was put together. Felt very professional, kind of like Disney quality. So that was exciting, not to mention the swamp where things kept popping out and catching me by surprise. But there was this really cool part where the floor drops. That's probably the most effective scare for me. A lot of fun.
I think my favorite part, it was like a circus. They give you some 3D glasses and the visuals are really cool. Super cool, well done. Really liked it.
Favorite part, I actually like the clown circus scene too with the glasses. It was kind of trippy. But probably the scariest part was the heights. I hate heights, and I just had to tell myself not to look down.
My favorite scene was the graveyard scene. Then I also like the scarecrow scene. They had the new prop where it's a bungee cord with a pumpkin attached to it, so you can throw it out and it scares you. The worst part was the height part. If you look down, it's barred. It's a barred pathway, so you can see directly down, and it's a couple stories up. I was constantly hanging onto the sides of the railings. I'm not a heights kind of person, so that was the most terrifying part to me. But they had tons of cool animatronics. The scare actors are great. The owners here are amazing. I can't say thank you enough. And there's a scare actor right now.
You get scared easily.
Thank you so much for having us out today. We really love the hunt. Please like and subscribe and join us for the next video.